Hello friends, today we are talking about how to create multilingual website in Joomla 5. Joomla is a powerful content management system that allows you to create dynamic and engaging website. If you are looking to reach global audience, multilingual Joomla website is very important. In this tutorial, I will explain you how to create multilingual website with Joomla 5. There are 11 steps as follows. Number 1, install your desired language. Number 2, publish your installed language. Number 3, publish the language plugins. Number 4, create multilingual Joomla content. Number 5, create multilingual menus. Number 6, set default homepage for both languages. Number 7, display menus item on the front end of your website. Number 8, enable association component. 9, make an association between two articles. Number 10, duplicates the template. Number 11, add your language switcher. So these are 11 steps we will follow to create multilingual website in Joomla 5. So let's start on the laptop screen.
Let's start first step. Install your desired language. So you can see this is my default Joomla 5 I have installed, and there is nothing else, only a pure empty Joomla 5. So first log in the Joomla 5 home dashboard. Here click on system, then install block. This is the installation block. Here we can install extension. So here you can see the languages. Click on languages and search your desired language. So let's, for example, I'm installing German. You can see German is already installed in my system. So let's let me use different Spanish. Spanish. Click on install. Now it is installing. So now you can see Spanish language has already successfully installed. So go to the next step. Next step is publish the installed language. So we have to go system, then languages. Now, click on system, then again click on install languages, then click on content languages. Here you can see Spanish language as unpublished. So check, and you can directly publish from here. Click. Now our Spanish language content language is enabled. Language plugin. Click on system and then click on plugins. Search language plugin. Here you can see in my desktop, because I have already enabled last time. So if your system language code and system language filter both plugins are disabled, then enable here. Like click on here already. So this is already enabled. Then let's skip my this step. You can see screenshot here. These are enable. You will get like this. So click on just enable to it. Now create multi-level Joomla content. So first create new category. Go to backend, click on content and then category. So here we are using for this website English and in Spanish. So first let me English content, and I will use lorem ipsum text. So English Here I am creating the category, so I'm just click on the English and save it. Again for Spanish. In the description I can, oh, this is for Spanish language category. Span- and same I can use for English. Okay, now we have created a fourth category. Let's create content article. So go to click on article. So first I will let me use Google Translator. So lorem ipsum. I'm using lorem ipsum code. So lorem ipsum. This is for English. So let's choose English language category, and here lorem ipsum code. Select English language from both category drop down as well as language drop down of the right side. So I have selected category as English and language English. Okay, and save it. Now create Spanish. So first let me translate to Spanish. So this is Spanish. Create again. This is Spanish, and choose the category Spanish. Language Spanish. Save and close. Now move on the next step. Create multilingual menus. So go to the menus. Click on the manage. Create new English menu. Here we will enter unique name English dash menu. Now we will create menu item. So go to the menu item, new, Let's enter the title of the menu item. English article 1, for example. This is just for our example. Select the article, single article type, select the article. We are creating a English article menu item, so we will choose English article. You can see English, so this is the English, and select language also English. Click form cannot submitted is missing required data. What is missing? Okay, sorry. We have to choose menu type English menu. We will create save as new. Now Spanish. Spanish mean Spanish article, but I think here we have to enter. I think we should use this is in Spanish. So this is Spanish. Select the Spanish menu. Select the article type, single article, and then we will choose the a language. Language should be Spanish. Let click on save and close button again with what? Sorry, select article as well in Spanish. Now this step also complete. Now set default homepage for both language. Now we have to default homepage. Go to menus, English menu. Click on home as a default. Then Spanish. Click on default. For both language we have selected the default. Also we can create multiple article, but for now I just explained to how to create multilingual. You can click again different article. So for now this is okay. Let's now save and step. Display menu item on front end. So what we have to do, go to the menu item, menu manage. So these are our menus. So here you can see linked module. We have to link the module to display on the front end. Front end means here. Here we have to display menu item. So click on, this is for English I think. This is English menu. So we have to create a module, English, English menu. Select this article, position right, language English. So title, position, language. Save and close. Same process for Spanish. Spanish menu. Select Spanish, position right, Language Spanish. Here we can also enter Spanish, but I will not display this title on the front end, so I can understand which language. So here I think two menus. Let me check modules. Okay, English menu already, first one was already created. Let me delete one menu. So now, so I'm hiding this title. Okay. Now, step number 8, enable association component. So to enable association component, we have to go to the system, then plugin, and then language. And we have to make sure system language filter plugin is enabled or not. And then, so click on system, plugin. Click on plugin language filter. Here you can see item association option is enabled and automatic language is already enabled. So we have to make sure first item association is enabled or not. If not, we have to enable. So that's already enabled. Now move on next. Step number 9. Make an association between two articles. So go to content article, open article. Go to content articles. First open English article, then under association tab, click on select button to choose article, save it. Click on association tab. Here you can see two languages because German language. If your Joomla setup not installed German language, you will not see this option. In my option, we both languages are enabled. So for now, we are talking about Spanish language. So let's choose Spanish version of this article. So this is the Spanish version for this article. Click and save and close. Now we are ready to utilize multilingual association component if you have successfully done this step. Go to component and multilingual association. Go to component here multilingual association. Select article, select language, English. We can say English language. Select the target language from the right. Okay, so click on this. So this is our English version, and what is our target version? Target version is Spanish. So you can see this is a Spanish version for this. If you find something wrong translation, you can edit and update and save it. So if you want to any correction in this text word conversion content, you can change and save the target. Or you can change actually both from left side our reference and right side our target. So anything if you find a mistake or wrong text, you can change and save target or save reference. So let's close this button. Now move our next step. Last second last step number step is duplicate the template. Now we have to go system, so template style, Here I have used installed third party template as well. So default template is Classopia. So let's duplicate this template and rename. This is for English. This is for English. We can assign menu for now. Just ignore it. And again, duplicate for Spanish, Spanish language. So now last step is 11. Add language switcher module. So go to the content site modules, click on new button, LANG language switcher module, language switcher. Title will be hide, right sidebar. Use drop down option or use maze flag. So I'm using maze flag option. Click on save, then reload the temp. So you can see, but here language switcher is not showing because its position is not correct. Sidebar right, let close. Yeah, so I have to correct this one. Sidebar right for all modules we are using. For example, English menu. Here also sidebar right. This is Classopia's position. Uh, this one sidebar right. So everything is fine. Okay now. So let's reload the page. Now this is our article. This is the menu item for English. If you click here, you will see. Now click on Spanish. So this is the Spanish. So I hope you like it. If you would like to is more detail or more article, because video will be long, that's why I've created only single articles. When you if you can choose also the category articles. So your one click on you list multiple articles in the one category. So I hope you understand. If you got any problem, please comment below. I will try my best to help you. Thank you. See you next video.